Let's install Velixo NX and connect to our Sage Intacct. After starting Excel and creating a blank workbook, on the Home ribbon, we'll click the Add-ins button, and then click the More Add-ins button. That brings us to the Office Add-in screen. If we weren't already logged in to our Microsoft account, we would have been prompted to do so. And we can search for Velixo. When the Velixo NX add-in is displayed, we will click the Add button. The Velixo NX ribbon will appear in the Excel toolbar, and the Velixo NX button will be added to Excel's Home ribbon. Let's connect to our Sage Intacct data. In the Connection Manager side panel, we'll click the Add button. We have Sage Intacct specified for the connection type, and will provide a friendly and preferably short, unique name for the connection. This name will be used later when entering our Velixo functions. Next, we'll specify the company ID within Sage Intacct from which this connection will retrieve data. And then we'll enter the credentials we use to connect to Sage Intacct. Now that we have an established connection, we're ready to move on to the next video, where we will start entering Velixo functions and building our first report.